In this video, we are going to explain step-by-step how to complete an application for the Foreign Language Assistance Program in Spain. We access the Ministry of Education's online system in the same way we did in order to register and fill out the online resume through the following link. From here, we can access the system the same way as before with a username and password. Once inside Profex, we can begin completing our application. Remember that previously, in order to complete requirements, we had to fill out the different sections of the resume so that our academic training would be considered. In order to create an application, we should click the section Auxiliares de conversación, and then on Presentación solicitudes. We will see that the central part of the screen changes and shows a key of symbols above. They are not active buttons, they only indicate what each symbol means, and a drop-down menu in which we can select the convocation that we want to apply for. In the drop-down menu, we select the year of the convocation and we click Nueva solicitud or Renovación. In the following page, the requirements for the program will appear. In order to continue, we mark them, and when to the right of the requirement a button appears saying Añadir documento, we attach official documents. Once we have marked the requirements and attached official documentation, we click the above button, Siguiente, in order to pass to the selection of the destination. In this page, we will see the destinations that are offered in the program. In this program, the only destination that we are able to select is Spain. Even though it is listed, we cannot select Andorra. Within Spain, we will have to put a 1 in the field Orden de preferencia de este destino, and order from 1 to 3 the groups. Within each group, we will mark with a check the autonomous community or city that we prefer. To finish, we click the button Guardar datos in order to return to the previous page in which the solicited destination will appear, which we can edit if we want to select other communities, clicking the feather icon. We will again push the button Siguiente to arrive at the last page of the application. Here we will have to mark different options in each one of the sections. We should indicate the language we are going to teach, if we are going to be accompanied, if our partner is also participating in the program, what educational level we prefer, additional information regarding any problem, any illness, disability, etc., what type of population we prefer, and optionally, if we have specific training in any of the related fields. When we are certain that we have everything completed correctly, we click the button Inscribir solicitud. Next, the system will show us 2 messages to warn us that once registered, the application cannot be modified. If we would like to revise our application, we can close the window and then return to the application. If we want to continue, we will accept the 2 warnings. After accepting the program, we'll process our application for a few seconds. When it is finished, the registering process will show this message to indicate as much. The last step is to record and register the application. From the page with the message produced following the registration, we click the button Volver a la página anterior. In this way, we return to the page where we initiated the application. Now a table with the following information will appear below: the state of the application, the number of the application, the date of the last draft, and the date of registration. To the left of this information, we'll see a series of buttons. In the above key, we can see what each one means.